Here's a 2017 Ford Fusion. Always inspiring and infinitely empowering, this breaks the sedan mold. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.